At the next stop sign, turn right. At the stop sign, turn right onto Morris Road.
Yeah, that's a lot, no?
Yeah.
They're selling there,
Oh,
honey.
look at that.
Yeah, I know. It's a lot, no?
Oh,
Wow.
that's DeLong's private toilet services. Yep, I've heard of them. Just never knew where they were at. Now I do.
So now I do too. Is that the one that they in the fair days?
It's either Jay's or him. I think it's DeLong's, but it's either Jay's or him.
Yeah, looks like that one. Want to meet some friend today. We're going to my friend's today's house. Yeah, we just pick up some of the planter, guys. Ate gave it to me, so we'll take it. It's free.
Take your next right onto Hidden View Drive.
So
Turn right onto Hidden View
malapit
Drive.
kami, guys.
Is that chicken thing?
Yeah, it is.
What is this down here?
Yeah, maybe it's a chicken. So
Okay.
dito ang bahay nila ate. Tara. Oops. Don't kiss me.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
In here. Yeah. It's the house of ate. Over here. Charing. Narang house ni ate.
And where are those supposed to be at?
In the garage.
In the garage?
So guys, we're done. We pick up all the planter.
Planters. Yeah, plants.
Yeah, planters, guys. A lot. I can't believe. I can't. I thought it's just a small one only, but more. Okay, guys. So makuwi na kami. So ayan na si Peanut. Again. Ito lang sa litang rin. To hold it. Diba?
Boy, that was a massive hole.
Yeah.
This
That's
used to be
huge
full of
over there.
horses.
But
Ain't a
where's
horse
that
in
now?
there now. Not one.
Yeah,
Used
but
to
that's
just
still
be-
looking good
Oh
though.
yeah, it used to be loaded with horses. All them barns and stalls.
Yeah.
Now, and they used to have a handyman that fixed all this stuff. How's it going? You enjoying the ride?
You enjoy the ride, Doc?
Are you enjoying the ride?
Are you?
Oh, 1-800 roll-off, honey.
Yep.
Probably doing the road.
Wow, look at that. A lot of wood. Yep. What's Manawi? You want to say? Okay. Want to see what's going on? Sama nila yung nag-hair.
Can't stop it.
Sometimes anak will eat your hair.
Can't stop it though. Except for keep brushing him, doing what we can until he gets a haircut.
Mag-haircut ka na. Aray! Tamong Peanut haircut. This coming 11.
Yep, 6 more days.
11's haircut. Aray. My hands is one up. Pagod na, pagod. My hands is tired na na. Oh.
Are they?
Yeah, syempre. I need to lift up my hands.
Just like oh, it's slow.
Eh, want to say man. Tired na kanak? Are you tired?
Should be after running like
Oops,
that.
just stop that.
Let's see the
Potting
grass
soil.
seed or mulch or something.
Potting soil.
Potting soil, probably.
So our peanut today got a long ride today. Yeah, he got a long ride today. Holy cow, I'm excited to open that. How many I got? Sauce. Aray nak. Na-tired na lagi akong kamot guys. Yes, my hands is tired now. Don't like that.
What's going
Alam
on?
na, they're fixing na.
They're putting another house.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Somebody bought that.
Yep.
Or they
somebody
just
bought
built it.
No, somebody bought it.
Somebody bought it.
Yep.
Or,
Somebody bought the property.
Wapa lang kita diri nga camera ni. I like this camera honey because it looks so pretty.
No.
Hey, what about you nak? Handsome? Babe, look at the camera. Look at the camera. You handsome? Smile, dada. Okay. So next. Okay, so mag-open. Ato nitong i-open. So all of this guys is for planting. Pinatag ni ate. Wala. Wow. Isa guys. Nag-uban. Nag-uban, di ba? Okay guys, so I got plenty of planter now. My friend gave this to me. Look at that. La, we can clean that. And this one is for the starter. I got a lot too. As you can see. Yep. Oh my. Wow. So I got in here over here too guys. So let's open it. Okay guys, let's open this one. My friend gave this to me. Let's see what's inside. Hi Peanut!
Forgot the newspapers. They just texted me.
Ay, okay. Can you get all the... Hala ni, I got 3
You got a
ni.
lot of stuff.
Hala ni. Hala guys, a lot guys. Wow. Ow. It's so close. Hala, wow, that's a lot. That. Nak, hey, Peanut, get up. Guys, tingnan. Yeah, I'm looking this one, guys. But now, I got now. Yee-hee. So, let's take that, all of it. a lot. As in, it's a lot. As you can see. So I don't need to buy nah. Holy, I don't need to buy because it's a lot. And then Ate just chat me that she got more. Wow, look at that, guys. Holy. Well, thank you, Ate. Yeah, this one, guys, is for starting to grow some of the how you call that, plants. So I don't need to buy anymore. I got a lot na, as you can see. Oh, nee, look at that, me.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I don't think you need any more than that.
No, I don't need. I don't want to buy na. It's a lot, this one. Wow, look at that. Wow. For starter. Oops, no, not there, not there. So this one, guys, is different. It's a lot. Yeah. Ano, you use this garbage bag?
Yeah, probably.
Oh. You got soil.
It's okay.
Look at that. Hi, Nat. Ay, no. Sa kuwan din ito,
Come on.
guys. Sa Trinidad. Para diri ko. Parang diri ko duban.
Got a lot of newspaper.
A lot?
Yeah.
Wow. So he's coming now?
No, this weekend he said.
Ah. Wow. Guys, look at that, guys. So many I got still in here.
Okay, we got 2 more eggs.
2 more eggs.
None from the new place.
Dito, as in. Awa na guys. Wow. Galing utang. Nara guys, oh. Look at that, how many layers na I got. They got still in here. I got other one. Hey! Look at that. Oh, circle. So this one guys is missing, but we can find some of it because they got still over here. As you can see, yeah, it's still a lot over here. So let's take a look. This one is different also guys. Starter. Yeah, lot. Oh, and this one also. Wow, that's a lot. And over this one too. Look at that guys. Yeah, it's a lot, so I don't need anything. This one, oh, I can plant this one over here. La happy vida. So I'm gonna spread this guys one by one, so then I will so you can see guys what I got from Ate. As in it's a lot. Okay. So let's do it guys. I'm gonna show you all of it. Tara. Ala guys, look at that. That's the one Ate gives it to me. Ala, it's a lot. Wow, I got a lot of starting seeding now. Ala, thank you Ate. Tara, oh. So guys, that's it for today. Bye. Thank you for watching. My chicken is over there. Oh, did you see that? Yeah. Bye bye.